you see the world how you want to see it. You will live your life based on how you see it. In short, yung perspective. With everything that's going on, with all the pain and loss, it's good to ask ourselves, how do I see the pain and loss? Masakit yan. Hindi natin i-deny yan. But I hope we also see that it can still be beautiful. It can allow us to grow. It can allow us to be more kind. Even in our broken selves, even that, it can still be whole. That's why, importante ang perspective natin eh. Again, hindi natin i-deny ang realidad. But to see that even in the midst of the pain, life can still be beautiful. Even in the midst of your hurt and pain, it can still turn out into good. You can still be a blessing and value to the people around you. Yung pain mo, there is a purpose. Yung storya mo, it can be an inspiration to the people around you. Continue to live life knowing that life is beautiful amidst the pain and hurt.